So we are here at the Aliso Creek Trail. I'm here with Jocelyn. We're taking a walk to see if we can find some animals. So let's see what is up around here. Now the really cool thing about the Aliso Creek Trail is that it's got a very vibrant ecosystem. We've got a lot of plants over here, trees, moss, but you know, can't really go down there, otherwise I'll probably slip. So let's see where we go next. And here we are. We got a couple of plants. We got two different kinds. We got the vascular, which are all those green brush right over here, and I'm going to zoom in there. There's some of the moss right there. Those are our non-vascular that Danielle mentioned in the Zoom meetings. So there you go. All right, where do you see the duck?
All the way down.
All the way down there. Let's see if I can spot it. Yep, there's the boy. It's just like, leave me alone. I don't know how to get to this stream, Jocelyn. I'm stumped. Oh, let's see. Yeah, that is a bug right there. That's one of those little skippers, what do you call them? I don't see any yet. Yeah, this is the stream right over here. I'm gonna go in a little closer this way. Oh, they're over here. So we got scared away. They're right there.
The fish is a large one. Oh, the fish. I'm sure there's a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a lot. We just didn't go in the right way. Yeah, a lot of fishies. Actually, never seen that many fish around this area. We've got some of those little spiders over there that cross the stream. They go on top of the water stream. Pretty cool. And then we've got some fish over here. Let's see if I can try to focus in on this spider. Oh, nope. There you see? There we go. I'm gonna move the camera with this spider right over here. It's that little dot that keeps it now. Move away. We have a whole school of fish here. So as Jocelyn was saying earlier, is that you see the stream over here, you'll see not many fish or insects around here. All those animals tend to live on the calmer streams of the water, which you recognize right over here. Jocelyn, when you walk around here, what do you usually see?
Usually there are some oranges on these orange trees.
Yeah, but we do have, I believe, some lime trees over here. Right? Yeah.
No, these are all oranges. This is like lined with oranges.
Oh, these are all oranges?
Yep.
Okay, well I found one of them then. This one's not even close to ripe. I'm gonna focus in on that one. Is that an orange?
Yep, just not ready.
Alright. Got a couple other ones over there. What else do you usually spot?
So sometimes in these orange trees there are some bird nests. Sometimes you can get a little sighting of some baby birds.
Oh. Well, we got a hawk. No, actually, that's a falcon.
Yeah, I don't see it though.
Yeah. That right there is a falcon.
Oh my gosh, are there more than one?
Yeah, they're around here. Yeah, there's a nest in my neighborhood too, so I like listening for them. So if you hear that, apparently that's a mating call. It's mating season around the area right now, so. And over here we got a nice little crow family. Apparently this is their nest. Being ground right over here. There's a bunch over there in the background too. Planting is prohibited on Orange County flood control property. See, you were right about the last video. We got some cool flowers and berries hanging by the trees. Don't eat these. Just leave them be. And we get some flowers over there, some purple ones. Once again, I'm stumped, Jocelyn. I can't get through the caution tape. Guess I'll have to leave. And over here, we got a bunch of bamboo that I had no clue about. These grow really quick. There is a time-lapse video that you could probably find on YouTube. If I find one, I'll make sure to put a link below. But this is what red pandas eat. We spotted your coveted orange from the orange tree.
I'm down the hill already. You didn't even finish it.
I know. Well, looks like someone else got created over here. Ooh, ooh, that is a big fly right there. Yeah, we got some artists around here. I'm gonna pass by over here to Cherry Park, but it looks like it's under construction, so we'll have to see how it changes throughout the summer. But thank you for joining me, Jocelyn, and spotting some of the animals and plants.
Of course.
All right, let's see if I can zoom on it. That's another falcon right there. Got a couple of them.